Good afternoon. First of all, on behalf of Acer, I would like to thank you for making time to attend Acer press conference in the 2012 International CES. It's my pleasure to report that Acer is back to the right track to perform, bringing computing to the massive quantity of users in the world. However, compared to 10 years ago, the digital revolution has happened. Computer users no longer use PC only. They start to use tablet, smartphone together with PC. We decided to call these people modern-day explorers. Acer is committed to create tools for the modern-day explorer. The tool we create will be innovative, responsive, and add value to users' digital life. Then, we have found excellent devices are not complete. Users need help to solve the problems of cross-devices and cross-platform. Strategically, we decided to create AcerCloud to help Acer device users who use the device on the go, at home, and in the office. From now on, Explore Beyond Limits is Acer's new brand tagline. The tagline will be applied to all communication ranging from brand advertisement to product launches. The tagline also fits well with our sponsorship of 2012 Olympics, where athletes explore the limits and beyond for what the human spirit can accomplish. We decided to go back to our roots. What we do is innovate to create end-user value. We strongly believe market share gain is a natural result of excellent performance in creating value to the users. Modern-day explorers would like to keep the freedom to choose devices of different platforms. Their valuable content would like to be easily enjoyed on different devices they choose. In this regard, Acer commits to help. AcerCloud is designed to answer this kind of requirement, to make it work well across form factors, cross-platform. Although the world economy forecast for year 2012 is not encouraging at all, but we see some opportunities in front of us. We see, number one, Ultrabook is a mainstream trend which cannot be stopped. Acer commits to pursue the leadership in this mainstream trend. Number two, the next generation Windows on different CPU for different devices, including Ultrabook, tablet, and smartphone. We see a lot of possibility can be created. We already had a solid plan to capitalize this opportunity in the second half of this year. Then AcerCloud. We are happy to choose AcerCloud as Acer's strategic differentiator for the long term. And we already defined the long-term roadmap to serve the user. Then the commercial market. Acer has indeed focused primarily on consumer in the past and achieved most of its growth in this segment. However, we do see opportunity to also add value to commercial segment in the near future. I would like to talk more on Ultrabook. The key words here is thin and light, instant on, always connected. Instant on, always connected is Acer unique technology. And we commit to continually evolve this technology. And let me tell you, AcerCloud will not be possible, will not be complete without Ultrabook instant on, always connected. And AcerCloud and Ultrabook is a perfect match. By Q2 this year, Acer will have 4 models of Ultrabook. We already have Aspire S3. Today you will see S5. And then Timeline Ultra 14-inch, Timeline Ultra 15-inch. And the more to come. When next generation window launch in the second half, we will launch another wave of Ultrabook product line. We estimate in this year, 25 to 35% of Acer notebook quantity will be Ultrabook. And in next 2 years, we will make Ultrabook a mainstream to expand to cover all customer segments. I would like to talk something about AcerCloud. It's the first time for Acer to provide a serious cloud services. We are determined to make it very successful and sustainable. Acer acquired IGWare technology in pertaining to cloud services at $320 million US. The technology is well proven, serving more than several 10 million users for many years, without any security issue, without any reliability issue. Up to now, we still consider it is the right decision during a very difficult time, July last year. The AcerCloud is designed to help different devices across the form factor and even support the cross-platform. We believe Microsoft will take care of Windows device, Google will take care of Android device, Acer will take care of in between. Make Windows work very well with Android and other platforms too. So number 2, we're talking about security. We have decent technology to ensure security. Actually, it is one of the core values of AcerCloud. The key factor of success of cloud service is quality, reliability, and security. We have high confidence that AcerCloud services will be outstanding in the years to come. AcerCloud has been structured through green approach. It is a distributed architecture to leverage users' PC to ensure energy saving, and high sustainability. AcerCloud is compliant to green trend and help the environmental protection. We are using the caching and the indexing to handle the media data and leverage users' PC's computing power and storage capability. It's a true peace of mind personal cloud. Another list. For the consumer market, we will continually create a lot of devices, including PC, tablet, smartphone, and we'll make AcerCloud to make all the information accessible anytime, anywhere, for any information on any device in a secure personal cloud space. For the commercial market, we are going to aggressively target opportunity in telco, government, and other commercial business, such as SME segment. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, JT. Just a quick word. We are about to show you some more about the tools that we will provide to our customers for them to explore beyond the limits. And that philosophy actually is also ours. So I hope you will see areas where we are also exploring beyond the limits. There will be some questions. Your questions will be answered in those two rooms on the side. So we will have products experts, we will have software experts, and we will welcome all your questions after the press conference in those rooms. So to discover more about those wonderful products, I'm very pleased to welcome on stage the president of our products group, Mr. Campbell. Campbell.
Well, welcome to the CES 2012. Acer has introduced the world's first Ultrabook September 2011 during the IFA computer show conducted in Berlin, Germany. Acer is one of the brands who is shipping the Ultrabooks in volume and also to the worldwide basis. In Acer, we treat the Ultrabook as not just a thin and light notebook. We consider the Ultrabook need to have two major features on that. So instant on and instant connect. Less than 2 seconds instant on and also 4 times faster instant connect is what we created for the Ultrabook. However, we are not satisfied with that. Today, we would like to extend the Ultrabook into the mainstream notebook categories. So ahead of me, there are two notebooks right here. One is 14 and one is 15 Ultrabooks. When we talk about the mainstream Ultrabooks, first thing is the 14-inch and 15-inch. I believe that represented around more than the 70% of today's notebook categories. Second thing is you need to have two spindles design. You need to have a DVD and a hard drive with it. And the third one is we put it the Acer Aspire Timeline spirit into it. That's why we call it as Acer Aspire Timeline Ultra. So with Acer Aspire Timeline, basically we bring two features. One is 8+ hours battery life, and second one without compromising on the performance. So we have bring in the next generation Intel Core i technologies into these two devices, the mainstream devices. Well, I'm not just invited everybody coming here all the way to just show you the mainstream Ultrabooks. We all know from day one, the Ultrabook, we are always talking about thin and light. We are going all the way back to the basics of the Ultrabooks. I would like to introduce to you this beauty. The world's thinnest Ultrabook, the Acer Aspire. S5. Okay. This device we have utilizing, we call it as the razor edge design, as you can see right here. Within the aerodynamic metallic chassis. So it has a very, very elegant design, and as you can see, it's a very, very clean profile, right? Without any I/O port. Well, you're gonna ask me, so what happens if you need I/O ports? So here's the magic. I want to show it to you. It's the new technology that we put together. We call it the Acer Magic Flip technology, which is able to provide end users the I/O port extension on your fingertips. Here you go. Let me do it again. Okay. Just a second. Let me do it again. I want to show you how it works. All right. So it's with the Magic Flip key on the side of the keyboard, you will be able to touch it, and you will be able to have your I/O ports on your demand. One more thing is in order to have a good solution with our AcerCloud technologies, actually we built in one more feature in this device. Not only just the thinnest Ultrabook in the world, not just with the very elegant design with the Magic Flip I/O ports, we actually have one more technology that we're building, which is Always Connect. The Acer Always Connect technology. How it's gonna work? I'm gonna have John Princeton, the general manager of AcerCloud technology, to introduce you to how it's gonna work. Let's welcome John.
Thanks. I'm excited to be here. It's my first Acer press conference, and I'm excited to give you a preview of AcerCloud. Now, I know you guys have probably heard many cloud announcements over the last few months and probably at CES, but as you maybe can tell from some of the presentations, we're doing it a little differently. Our idea behind personal cloud, behind AcerCloud, is a cloud that supports our devices. And as well, we're solving one big problem for our users. Our users, and many of our users, and many of you, have a lot of personal content. Photos, videos, music, and on a daily basis, you use your cell phone, your tablet, your notebook, and what you really want is access to all that content on any of your devices without any cloud storage limits or any limits at all. And that's our goal with AcerCloud. And what I want to do is not talk about it as much as show you what it is. So when we release AcerCloud this year, we're going to release 3 applications. ClearFi Photo, which gives you access to all your photos and lets you manage those photos. ClearFi Media, which gives you access to all your media, your music, your video, on all your devices. And AcerCloud Docs, which gives you access to your latest documents on all your devices. So let's take a look at ClearFi Photo. And I'm going to ask Jack to help me out here. Okay, can you take a photo of me? Okay, thanks. So on that phone, we've installed the AcerCloud software, and as I speak, the photo that Jack's taken is being pushed into the cloud and to all your devices. All your mobile devices and also your PC. So let me open this. Okay, so now if I go to the PC, I also have ClearFi Photo on this PC. I can launch it. And what you see is, as you expect, I have my complete collection of photo albums. And I also have this other tag here called PicStream. Now with PicStream, you get to see all the photos that have been taken by any of your mobile devices. And as you can see here, the photo that Jack just took is already here, almost instantly on your PC. Now on my PC, I can do what I usually do on my PC, which is manage my photos. So I want to keep this one. It's not a particularly good photo, but I guess I'll keep it anyway. And I'll move it into a collection I'm putting together of CES photos over here. So when I double click on that, you'll see that I have a few photos, plus the photo that I just managed on my PC here. Okay. All right, so now, of course, I want to access that on my phone. So I'm going to move to the phone here. I guess it got moved. You guys were too enthusiastic in touching the products. You moved the demonstration. Anyway, we'll fix it. Okay. It's a little blurry, but I hope you can see. So now on this on this phone, what I have is my pictures from my camera. I have my pic stream. So on all your mobile devices, you'll get the photos you've taken on every other mobile device. And then I have, all my albums here that are also on my PC. You see a little cloud symbol there. It means they're not actually on the phone, they're on the PC. And so if I look at my CES album, and you can see the photo that I just managed on my PC is also available on my phone and will be available on any of my mobile devices. Okay, so that's ClearFi Photo. It includes PicStream, so you automatically get all the photos from any of your mobile devices into the cloud on all your other devices, including your PC. You can manage your photos on your PC as you normally would, and with what we call ClearFi in the cloud, then you can access all those photos on any of your mobile devices. What I didn't mention, we're not going to show here today, it's also DLNA compatible, which means it's integrated with your consumer electronics devices, and we're supporting it on Windows PCs and Android devices. So that's ClearFi Photo. Now the next thing I want to show you is ClearFi Media. But before I do, you're probably thinking, okay, that's fine, but you know, I usually, when I'm thinking about using my phone or I'm thinking about using my tablet, I'm nowhere near my PC. So my PC is probably asleep because the power management kicked in, or I used my laptop and when I left it, I just shut the lid, right? So what then? Well, let me put the S5 to sleep. And then let's take a look at ClearFi Music, which is our application on this phone to access your music. Now what you can see here is I have my complete music collection still represented on this phone. PC is off, I can still see my music collection. What we do is we index all your content, we push that index into the cloud. So no matter which mobile device you're on, you can always see your content. Of course, the next question is, well, I want to play my content, right? So let's pick one. I hit play, and hopefully you see the PC turned on instantly, and shortly, let's hope. Actually, this is a lot longer of a delay than we expected, actually. So I think we have a demo bug. Okay, it's a little slow. All right, when you're in your home network, it's usually much faster than that. When we were doing it earlier, it's always a lot faster than that. We can wait, but let's see. Okay, anyway, let me move on. So we'll be demonstrating that in the rooms on the side later. Essentially, if you're in your home network, it works seamlessly. It obviously didn't work right now, it was working pretty well in rehearsals. But what this means is you don't have to worry about the state of your PC. From anywhere you are, you can browse your content, you can select songs, you can stream them to your phone or your tablet, and you can download them as well for offline play. So that's ClearFi Media. So ClearFi Media supports ClearFi in the cloud. It's DLNA compatible, and we're going to support it across all Windows PCs and Android devices. And with Acer Always Connect, your PC is always connected to the cloud, and you don't have to worry about whether it's in suspend or hibernate. You can always access your content. So there's one last application I want to show, which we call AcerCloud Docs. And I'm going to need Jack's help here to show it. So Jack's going to open up PowerPoint on this all-in-one over here, and he's going to edit a document. It's 204. Almost. Okay, so when he saved the file, what happens is it's automatically pushed into the cloud, which means it's available on all your devices. And assuming we don't have network problems, I'm over here, I can launch Cloud Docs on this tablet. And what you can see over here is if I click on this PowerPoint, which is the PowerPoint Jack just edited, then it's available instantly on this tablet. And that's the same, it'll be available on any of your mobile devices. So that's AcerCloud Docs. It lets you access your latest docs from any device. We're supporting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and we're supporting it on Windows PCs, Windows mobile devices, and Android devices. So those are our three applications: ClearFi Photo, ClearFi Media, and AcerCloud Docs. When are you going to be able to use those? Starting Q2, we're going to be supporting the Acer Cloud in North America and Greater China. Users who buy new Acer consumer PCs will get an automatic update notification. They'll be able to download the apps and register for an account and start using these features on their PC. In Q4 2012, we're planning to release worldwide. And we're going to support not only Acer devices, but also all Android and Windows mobile devices. So you buy an Acer consumer PC, you get Acer Always Connect, and you can use any smartphone or tablet from any other vendor to use AcerCloud. So in summary, AcerCloud is your personal cloud, all your content under your control, no cloud storage limits. With Always Connected, it means you can rely on your PC to be always available with no issues. And this means that you can store content on your PC. It's open, secure, and free. Open, we support Android and Windows devices from other manufacturers as well as from Acer. It's secure because you have control over your own content. You're not releasing your content to anyone. And of course it's free. It will be bundled with Acer consumer PCs starting Q2. With that, I want to say welcome to AcerCloud. Thank you. I think Campbell has one more thing he wants to show you.
Thank you, John. Well, I think with the AcerCloud technologies, and people will be able to connect your mobile devices, all the digital contents together, anywhere, anytime, right? Actually, the last but not least, I would like to show you, this is the Acer's next generation Iconia tab, Android tablet. It has a quad-core process on it, and it also runs with the full high definition 1920 by 1200, 10-inch display. Let me show the video right here. Isn't it cool? Thank you very much.